Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, and here today I have a modern steel CR-V EX. Of course, this vehicle is perfect inside and out, and I've not managed to find a single spot of damage on this vehicle. Of course, we have the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that you get with the CR-V. Of course, with this being the EX trim, it does come with the keyless entry and the electric lift tailgate, which is what I'll show you in a second. Of course, at the rear of the vehicle, you can probably see that we have the reverse camera and parking sensors. So the camera's there. Of course, if it'll work, engine's running so it won't do it properly. Of course, it is the all-wheel drive model, meaning that it is very hard to come by. We also have plenty of room in the boot area. We've got your seat fold lever there, 12-volt power outlet there, and of course we do have your privacy shelf just here, which does pull out and clamp into these slots here. I'll just quickly show you that you just pull this lever and the seat will fold flat. Of course, say if you are quite short, you can pull the tailgate down. If you press and hold, you'll hear the bleep, and once you put it back down, I'll just quickly show you, it'll lock in. And then when you next pull the boot up, you will see that it will stay to the same position as we set. Now, of course, just to reset it, you push it right to the top, press and hold, as you can see, and then it'll go back down. Moving round, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear of the vehicle, you can see that we do have the black leather seats with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. We've also got electric and automatic rear windows with rear heated seats. As you can see on here, we do have your keyless entry. These little 3 symbols do symbolise that. In the front of the vehicle, we have your electric handbrake with brake hold, your eCVT gearbox, and your EV, Econ and Sport mode. We also have dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display just there. On this touchscreen display, you have your navigation, your audio sources, as you can see there, and your Bluetooth hands-free. Now, of course, we have your SOS buttons just up here, along with your visor controls and your sunroof controls. As you can see there, it will open and it will also close. And say if there's too much light in the vehicle, you can also close the visor like so. Of course, we've got all your audio controls on the left with your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, and your onboard computer controls. And while we are here, I will just quickly show you that this car has only done 7,302 miles. It's also got the heads-up display, which is what you can see just there. In the middle of the display, we have your speed, and of course you can change on there what you would like to cycle through, whether it's charge and power, direction, speed limit, and of course your cruise control. It is all your choice. We also have the controls for that are here. Speed limiter and cruise control is here, and we also have the heated steering wheel just there. Moving back outside the vehicle, I can confirm that this car does actually have automatic windscreen wipers and headlights, and does come with the full LED head units, as you can see here. If you require any further information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.